Hello Auburn Public Library friends, it's Karina here, and for our craft today we are going to be making a friendship bracelet. This is what the completed friendship bracelet will look like. It's very fine with its embroidery floss, which is what we'll be giving out later, but to show you, I'm going to use some yarn. So this is thicker than what you'll have to work on, but this is going to be easier to demonstrate. So I have 6 different colors of yarn, and they're each 30 inches long. So you're going to fold over your yarn, and then you're just going to make a couple of knots with your finger. Completed your knot, you're going to take some tape and just secure it to the table, and this will help you finish your bracelet. So you should have 6 strings on one side and 6 on the other. So you're going to take the outmost string on the right side and move it to the inside of the left, and you're going to do the same thing on the left side. You're going to take the outmost side on the left and move it to the inside of the right. Then you're going to go back to the right and take the most outward side and move it over to the left and come back to the left. And we're just going to keep crisscrossing over and over. Take the one from the right, move it to the inner left, and take the one on the outmost left and move it to the inmost right. And we're just going to continue on until we have run out of yarn. What I'm going to do is I'm going to complete by just tying a knot, and then what I have here is I'm going to put a bracelet on the end. I'm sorry, a bead. And I can tie this bead on. And so here I have our completed bracelet, and then I should be able to use this bead as the clasp. So you can use this bead to help get your bracelet on and off. Again, if you want to call the library at 207-333-6640, we can send you the instructions and some embroidery floss, and you can make this yourself at home.